Okay, so now we're going to color in the shape of the actual candle holder, and to do so I have taken 2 strands this time, not just one. So it's the same way to pick them up. The only thing you need to make sure is that it's a bit harder to do it without knotting, so just be very gentle on it. Okay, so let's get going. First I'm going to thread my needle. All right, and let's get started. So we're going to use a satin stitch for this one again, so the same as for the flame, and the satin stitch is basically a lovely stitch to fill in a shape, and what we want is to do this little rounded shape around the bottom of the holder. So we're going to do that by building in increments. So don't go straight at the edge, just start at the bottom and then build it up as you go. So you always go a little bit further out and higher, and you do it this way. So, and if you follow very well the line, it will automatically draw that rounded shape. Okay, so let's do it. So I'm just going back on my track on this one because I went a bit too high. And we're right at the edge of the bottom of the star, so I'm going to fill that little shape in between at the bottom of the star, and then we can then fill up the rest. So first I'll do that shape. Okay, so I have done this bit. I'm starting to run out of thread, so I'm going to stop that one and then refill. So I'm going to show you again how I make a knot. So I'm at the back, I'm going through a couple of random thread that's already there. Don't go through the fabric, and just the thread, and then go once, and then the second time you come back and then you put your needle through the hoop, and that makes the knot. Alright, so I've refilled my thread. There you go. And I'm gonna pick up from here, fill up there, there, and then back down. So but actually I'm going to go down because I'm running out of, not running out, but I'm getting low on thread. This probably makes more sense to do it this way. And really, honestly, it doesn't even matter. You do exactly how that feels right for you. Up, down, whatever, as long as you feel that shape. Okay, so I don't have much thread left, so I'm going to stop that one and start again. All right, now we're going to go back to the top. And we're going to fill the rest of the border. So again, as you can see, there's a rounded shape here, and I want it to show as a rounded shape. So if I go straight over there, it's going to cover that curve there. So I'm just going to go where it naturally, where I can actually see the edge of my drawing, so which is there. And I'm going to follow it exactly so that I get that lovely curve. Okay, and I'm going to go on the other side and pick it up from there. The dog is scratching. Perfect timing, really. Oh, I can see that actually it could be a bit better there. There you go, it's a bit nicer. So this is done. All right, we've just filled up the whole shape there, and what we're going to do now is do the rim. But the rim we're going to do as it is almost like a drawing line. So we're going to get one strand of thread, and we are going to follow the shape with a back stitch.